Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply e-separation in Infosys. Start by logging into the Employee Self-Service portal and selecting the Separation or Exit option. Complete each screen carefully, entering your employee ID, last working day, and reason for leaving. Attach any required documents and notify your manager for approval. Monitor your email for confirmation and clearance steps, and follow up with HR if processing stalls. Collect all documents before initiating e-separation to avoid delays. Keep your resignation letter, ID proof, project handover notes, and any asset receipts handy. Make sure bank account and tax form details are accurate for your final settlement and benefits processing. If you have pending reimbursements or invoices, clear them or document the status. Clear communication with your manager, and HR speeds up approvals and prevents unexpected holdups in payroll. If you find this walkthrough useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long notice periods with reliable leak-proof design and easy one-handed access. I use it at my desk while finishing handovers, and it saves messy spills during busy exit days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After submission, the portal routes your request to your manager and HR for approval. Your manager must acknowledge handover and accept the last working day. Then HR verifies clearances, benefits, and computes your final settlement. Respond quickly to any portal prompts or document corrections to prevent delays. Keep a record of confirmation emails and screenshots, and schedule an exit discussion to resolve open items before your last day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.